Hi everyone. All right, this is what I'm looking at when I'm looking at Zoom. So I have my meeting pulled up and I see all of you on the other side. Here are some different features that I can do. I can manage our participants. I could mute or unmute your video if I wanted to. I could turn off your video. I could turn my video on and off. I could rename us. For example, right now you're named Sharon Chang. I have no idea why, but I could change that. So that's managing the participants. I can mute or unmute all if I need to in a webinar situation. I have more options, like I could have it enter and exit as you come in. I can lock the meeting if I want to make sure who is coming in and out or not allow any more participants. I can kick you out of the meeting if you get too rowdy. Another thing that I can do is invite more participants. So if I click invite, and click Gmail, it's linked to my Gmail, and I can just email whoever I'd like to join the meeting and they'll get a link to join. I can also chat with people. So over here I can type a message, do you need tech support? And you can get it like that. I can click to share my screen. So if I click to share my screen, I'm given all these different options. I can share a whiteboard. I can share all the different windows that are open on my page. So let's try whiteboard because we haven't done that yet. So I'm going to share my screen with a whiteboard. I can draw, I can do text. I can erase things, I can undo, I can clear, or I can save. So if I'm working on a collaborative document with people, for example, showing them the text, I can do it that way. When I'm finished sharing, I can go up here and click Stop Share. But I also have other options when I'm sharing my screen. So I'm going to go back to screen sharing and share this whiteboard again. And then I'm going to click up here with remote control. So when I click remote control, what that means is I can give control of my mouse to you. And then you can manipulate things on my screen. So if we were reading a book, you could click the page to turn the page. If I wanted you to indicate something to me on the screen, right? Show me what you hear, cat or cap. You could point to which one you heard. So that's how I do the sharing. I've got some other options. I can chat. I can say I want to record this meeting on my computer, or I want to record this meeting on the cloud. So depending on what plan you purchase, you'll have different amounts of cloud storage space on Zoom. I can say I want to hide the video panel. I can play around with my audio and video settings, or I can say I'm done with this meeting, let's end it. But we are certainly not done. So I hope you all are having a good time at lunch right now. I'll see you back soon.